Yes. Harsha, stay with us. Let's put out more news break that is coming in. This is inside detail of these are inside details of what transpired in the meet which happened between KC Venugopal and Rajnath Singh. Let's go across to Suyesha with that news break. Suyesha, we understand that KC Venugopal has made it amply clear that the opposition will contest Speaker's election as well.
Oh yes, absolutely, and that is the latest that's just coming in from sources, Samiksha, that the opposition is making it very clear that since the government is being non-committal on the Deputy CM's post, hence they are likely to go ahead and contest the Speaker's election. This is, we understand that the NDA has given its consensus on its candidate, Om Birla, who has already filed his nomination, and tomorrow is when the election will take place. But as Rajnath Singh had called up Mallikarjun Kharge, and this was stated by Rahul Gandhi, where he said that let us not oppose the Lok Sabha Speaker election, let us have a complete consensus, because this is what has always been happening since 1952. There has never been any debate on that, and let's go ahead with the protocol. The Congress laying its conditions bare, that they said that the Deputy CM must be ours, and now this is what it is seeming with the latest turn of developments, where KC Venugopal had met with Rajnath Singh in his chamber. In fact, we are also learning that KC Venugopal and DMK's TR Balu staged a walkout of Rajnath Singh's office because they refused to endorse the NDA nominee for the Speaker's post. So KC Venugopal and DMK's TR Balu, who were in Rajnath Singh's chamber, this as they were trying to sort a consensus, saying that there should be no debate as far as the Lok Sabha Speaker is concerned. They apparently staged a walkout because the opposition is very clear that the Deputy Speaker has to be theirs unless and until Rajnath Singh gives a clear word on that.
देखिए, आज अखबार में लिखा है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा है कि ऑपोजिशन को कंस्ट्रक्टिवली सरकार के साथ कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए। ऑपोजिशन ने क्लियरली कहा है, राजनाथ सिंह जी का खारगे जी को फोन आया, राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी से कहा, देखिए आप हमारे स्पीकर को सपोर्ट कीजिए। ऑपोजिशन, पूरी ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है, हमने सब के सब से बात की है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि हम स्पीकर को सपोर्ट करेंगे, मगर कन्वेंशन ये है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन को मिलना चाहिए। राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल शाम कहा था कि वो खारगे जी को कॉल रिटर्न करेंगे। अभी तक राजनाथ सिंह जी ने खारगे जी का कॉल रिटर्न नहीं किया है। तो मोदी जी कह रहे हैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन हो, और फिर हमारे नेता को इंसल्ट करा जा रहा है। तो नियत साफ नहीं है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी कोई कंस्ट्रक्टिव कोऑपरेशन नहीं चाहते हैं, क्योंकि कन्वेंशन है कि डेप्यूटी स्पीकर ऑपोजिशन का होना चाहिए, और हमने कहा है, पूरे ऑपोजिशन ने कहा है कि अगर कन्वेंशन फॉलो किया जाएगा तो पूरा समर्थन स्पीकर के इलेक्शन में हम देंगे।